imposed a sanction for what? For having exposed the genocide? Look, it's very clear what Israel is doing.
UN officials, war correspondents, legal experts, one by one, they're being silenced.
All the journalists that they're killing, targeting, who else can get away with this?
We are watching this in 4K on our phones.
They're killing the truth.
It couldn't kill the truth, so it declared war on the messengers. The last empire is falling, and it's taking justice with it.
14 months ago, I warned that this genocide marked an escalatory stage of a long-standing settler colonial project over Asia, one that has targeted the Palestinian people for over 7 decades. And now, it is happening, and we must stop it. As the cost to the Palestinian people grows, Israel has dismantled the last function of the UN in Gaza, humanitarian aid. Its so-called Gaza Humanitarian Foundation is nothing else than a death trap, engineered to kill or force the flight of a starved, bombarded, emaciated population marked for elimination. At the same time, since October 2023, the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange has soared by 213% in US dollars, amassing $225.7 billion US dollars in market gains, including 67.8 billion in the last month alone. One people enriched, one people erased. Israel has used the genocide as an opportunity to test new weapons, customized surveillance, lethal drones, radar systems, and other unmanned technology to exterminate a population without restraint. It is its very defenselessness that has made the people and the land of Palestine an ideal laboratory for the Israeli military-industrial complex. The forever occupation has provided an optimal testing ground for arms manufacturers and big tech with little oversight and zero accountability, while investors, private and public institutions have profited handsomely. This report exposes the economic conditions driving and enabling Israel's machinery of displacement through destruction, segregation and surveillance of the Palestinians, and replacement through the construction of alternative landscapes, economies and realities for the settlers, their visitors and associates. From arms manufacturers, tech giants, banks, energy firms, online platforms, supermarkets and universities, corporate actors have supplied the tools, financing and infrastructure, the legitimacy for this machinery over Asia. Weapons and data systems brutalized and surveilled Palestinians. Colonies spread, financed by banks and insurers, powered by fossil fuels and normalized by tourism platforms, supermarket chains and academic institutions. All have helped entrench apartheid and enabled the slow, inexorable destruction of Palestinian life. There is a prima facie responsibility on every state and corporate entity to completely abstain from or end their relationship with this economy of the occupation, especially as it has transformed into an economy of genocide.